We spent a good part of 4 years developing what you see today, and this is going to be a very significant investment on the part of SIA. The new product for the new aircraft that we are buying, as well as the retrofit for the existing fleet, will cost us something around $850 million US. I think it's a huge investment. It goes to show our commitment also to the A380 fleet.
We've been working with the airlines now for 10 years, if not longer, on A380 configurations. So we know where to put the different classes to get the maximum amount of efficiency out of the airplane. So we know, for example, where the premium economy passengers should be sat to get the best efficiency out of the aircraft, where the business and first class products should be. But all of this, if you look around today, we're in economy class today. This would have been a business class only a few years ago. If you look at the seat, we have 18.5-inch wide seats, better than any other aircraft flying in the skies today. If you look at the seat pitch, 32, 33-inch pitch, we have leg rests for every passenger. Beautiful IFE systems, beautiful color schemes, but most important, very efficient for the airline, but very comfortable for the passengers. This means the A380 is here to stay. The A380 is an aircraft that can fly into very congested airports all over the world, and we know how traffic is going. Traffic is doubling every 15 years. In some parts of the world, the traffic is doubling every 10 years. So it's only airplanes like the A380 with the capacity that we can offer that can relieve that congestion.